All right, welcome to Fat Boy's Garden. Hadn't done a video in quite a while now. Today is April 28th, I think. It's Saturday. May 1st is Tuesday, so I'm thinking today is the 28th or the 27th. I don't know what day it is, but anyway, it's April. These are some seedling plants that I just went and bought today. I've decided to go ahead and get my garden started. And I've got all of these different seedlings, including some strawberries. There's some tomatoes and some hot peppers and some more tomatoes and watermelon and zucchini and 2 different squashes and eggplant, watermelon. So I got quite a bit of stuff I need to get planted. Now, when I left the first week of March, every one of these buckets, I had gotten all of the dirt prepared in them. And now here we are almost 60 days later, and yes, they are full of weeds. Because nobody's going to work in my garden but me. So, this is what my buckets are looking like now after all that time I spent in to get my dirt ready. But the good part is, I can plant. So let's go up here up the hill. Show you some stuff that I planted right before I left, going on my last deployment. I planted some radishes, and as you can see, the radishes are completely overgrown. There's my sweet peas. Not sure why those are only that tall. They should have been much taller than that. And I should have been ready to start harvesting those in about a week. Here's my kale. I'm not sure if that's going to be able to get salvaged because it never got thinned out. And then over here was broccoli. Even that's all overgrown, and as you can see, a lot of it has gone to seed. Didn't even really sprout, but it wasn't thinned out. And then, of course, as I said, nothing has been done up here since I left the 1st of March. So I got a lot of overgrowth back here. And then I came home and got this surprise. Now, you would think that that's all overgrown. It actually is not. A tree fell. And looks like the tree snapped off there. I'm not sure how high it came from, but I got to get all of this cleared out, and I'll probably start working on that probably Monday or Tuesday to get all of that cleared out. And of course, those buckets that I put over there are still there. Those buckets actually came from my raised bed that I got right there behind the kitchen. So those buckets are still right where I left them. But like I said, I don't expect for anybody to come out here and work in my garden when I'm not here. And I'm hoping that this deployment, my wife has decided that she wants to help me and learn how to garden. So we're gonna see. We got quite a bit of work to be done. You know, if I were home, my yard would not nearly look this bad with the weeds growing everywhere and little growth over there on that tree that would have been trimmed. A lot of things would have been done differently if I were home. There's where I got to take and fill that back in with dirt. But here's my shocker. Look at all of the blueberries. Look at all of the blueberries on that. I really thought that those were done growing, but when I got home yesterday, I came back here and I could not believe the number of blueberries that's there. So I got some bird netting I'm gonna put over that to keep the birds from eating my blueberries. So now that I've shown you the bed, I'm gonna get to work. And I'm hoping that next time I show a video, I've redid the front part of the shed. I've done three sides already. I've got one more side to go. And there's Mr. TJ, who says he's gonna come and help me. So we're gonna see. we're gonna see. As you can see, he's helping me a whole lot right now, getting in the way. So we're gonna see how it all comes down. I got my work cut out for me. So until next time, this is TJ, Fat Boys Garden.